Have you ever seen me hate a Muslim?
No. I don't know you. I never see you
So-
hate or love. I'm just asking you. So
Are you Muslim?
Are you full of love to Muslim?
Are you a Muslim?
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
Yeah. So you say you are a Muslim. I am speaking to you. This is how simple conversations work. Yeah.
Yeah.
When I speak about Islam, would you call me? Would you say that I'm attacking Islam? Would you say that?
No, especially here, no.
Especially here, no.
Yeah, because here everybody's talking Muslim, Christian,
Yeah.
Jewish.
This is what we
yes.
call free speech.
Exactly.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Now, Muhammad abolished free speech in the Quran. Muhammad abolished free speech. I don't know if you know this. Muhammad
Maybe.
abolished free speech in the Quran. And so Abdullah shows up here and says that I'm attacking Islam. Now, let me ask you
But why
this.
did he say that?
Because he's confused. All you see, all of these, Masir there. Do you know that gentleman? The one who is shouting out angrily. Can you see him?
This brown coat.
With a goatee.
The
With a
brown
goat.
coat?
Yeah, the brown one, yeah.
The brown coat.
Yeah, the brown.
Yeah.
Do you know him? A similar
Yeah,
color, yeah?
good man.
Good man.
Yeah, he's a good man.
He is always angry. He is a mafia gang
He's a
ringleader.
good man.
Why is he
No,
good?
he's not angry. Look at him.
Why is he good?
Look at him. Does he look angry?
Of course.
No.
Every day.
Does he look angry?
Of course. Of course. Look,
He's just talking to someone.
angry. Look, he's very angry.
He looks
That's
like
fine.
a good man.
What's your name?
Al-Wahi.
Ilwahi.
Yeah.
Ilwahi. My name is Arun.
Yeah, good to see you.
It's 4 o'clock. So let's try and have a sensible conversation.
Okay.
I think Muhammad did terrible things to humanity. I'll give you details.
Never.
Lies everything.
Yeah, I know.
You see, he shows up here.
This is lie. This is lie. What you have just
One
said that Muhammad
This is
did
lying.
terrible things. This is a clear lie.
I can give evidence. What would you do?
Muhammad, if Muhammad did this, that the Islam wouldn't be consistent.
If I give
wouldn't
evidence, what would you do?
expand.
If I give evidence, what would you do?
Show me.
Yeah, Muhammad. So far, I've been dealing with free speech. Yeah. Muhammad abolished free speech. I gave people an example from Surah 68.
What
Ayat-
abolish means?
Free abolish is eradicate, remove. Free
Remove
speech.
the free speech.
Yeah, he said
Okay.
no free speech anymore. You can't say things. You know, this is why across the Islamic nations, various nations, we have blasphemy
An
law.
opinion of someone.
Wait a second. So if I go to Mecca and shout out Jesus is God, what would happen to me?
These days,
Yeah. Any day since Islam. Since Islam started.
try.
What would happen to me?
Try. I don't know.
You tell me.
I don't know.
You must
If
know.
I
You
go,
know, you
if
now
I go
don't be a
inside
liar.
if I go inside your church, if I go inside your church and say that Muhammad is the prophet of God,
What would happen to
and yeah, what will happen?
you? You tell me what would happen to you?
I don't know. People would be angry. Why you come here to
Ah, you
our
see.
place, to our
So now-
place,
now-
preaching your religion?
Sure.
in our
Thank you.
place.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. But you have agreed, if you go into a church and shout out that Muhammad is an Islamic Allah is, please listen.
Okay.
Please listen.
Yeah.
The worst that would happen is that people might be angry. Yeah? But if I go to Mecca and shout out that Jesus is God in public, what would happen to me?
They will shut you up. Shut up.
In what way?
Someone
In
would
what
say to
way?
you, shut up, man. What are you saying?
In what
What are you
way?
saying? There is only one God.
Hey, my dear friend, have you, please listen, how,
In the same way I'm telling you.
hey, look, you're gaslighting me right now. Either you are utterly clueless or you are a deliberate liar. I don't know which one of the categories you belong to. But if you are, you must be either case.
I'm just responding
In
to
either
you.
case, you are a terrible liar. But
This is
sorry.
kind of offending me. You are insulting me now.
All right, my Muslim friends, anyone who has a basic general knowledge.
You see?
And
I'm
are
just
you-
responding to him normally.
Yeah.
He's saying I'm a terrible liar.
It's not normally. It's what's
So
called
he wants-
gaslighting.
he wants an
Let me ask you.
that
If I go to
meets
Mecca, listen, stay quiet, please. If I go to Mecca and shout out in a public place, shout out, Jesus is God, what would happen to me?
No, not God, Jesus.
Say again.
Not God.
I know you. What would happen to me? If I go to Mecca, what is that?
He will respond to you like him.
Did you answer? Someone answered, yeah?
I said.
Oh, you said.
will be killed.
I will be killed. It's an obvious thing. This fellow clearly,
Is he Muslim? Is he Muslim? Are you Muslim?
And that's why he's
He's not Muslim.
lie. Wow,
So you want an
look
answer?
at the level of intelligence.
You want an answer
Don't
for
touch it, don't
the
touch it.
answer you want. This is not the answer you want.
Sure. Look at the Muslim intelligence. Is he a Muslim? Would only Muslims know general knowledge?
He's a big liar.
He knows that he is not a Muslim. By the way, my dear friends, the I know. Once.
So the
Whoa.
The Muslim.
Whoa. You know how he knew
Are you
that?
scared of talking to me?
I
Are you scared? How he knew?
Yes, people who gaslight, people who lie.
Talking to me.
I've answered you already. If you
You're
listen,
talking to me so politely and trying to be.
yes, and
so
then I
polite
got to know,
me, and now you gave me
and
your back and you
then,
wanted to hear me.
and then
Why? Why, bro?
I'm answering. I'm answering. If you listen, you will get to know.
Okay, answer please.
I started talking to you politely because you came across as if you could have a sensible conversation. And therefore, when I first asked the question to him. I asked him, if I go to Mecca and shout out that Jesus is God, what would happen to me? Please listen. Please listen.
Let me speak.
I'm not looking for your verdict here. I'm merely asking you to listen right now. I asked him what would happen to me.
Let's listen
Now,
to his speech.
anyone who is half an inch sensible and worth his salt, unlike this gentleman, would be willing to stand here if he has a backbone and tell me openly, honestly, without betraying Muhammad, he will stand here and say, we will chop your head off or bury you alive or whatever. In some way, shape or form, tell me that I'll be killed because that is a fact. Instead, what did this gaslighting gentleman do? He said, what would happen to me if I go to a church in the UK and shout out that the Islamic Allah is God? And I said, okay, what would happen to you? He said, people will be angry. Yes, of course. That's the worst that would happen to you. People will be angry. They'll be like, hey, please don't do this here. Please vacate our place. This is private property. Please leave. He knows that that is the worst that would happen. If a Muslim enters criminally, contravenes civil law and enters into a private Christian property and shouts out that the Islamic Allah is God, the worst.
So he retreated back, you know.
Yeah. Thank you. Lovely. Yeah, as long as you're happy, I'm fine. The only worst thing that could happen is when people are mentally disturbed, professional liars, gaslighting. The only worst thing that could happen is that they become angry also. As long as they are keeping cool, laughing because he is hiding his shame, that's fine. At least we are safe and we can live another day. Now, my dear friends, comparison. A Muslim enters, please listen. Please stay quiet. A Muslim enters into a church in the UK and shouts out Islamic Allah is God. The worst that would happen to you is that people will be unhappy and stay quiet. Thank you. Yeah, I kick you out. Yeah. They need to kick you out of everywhere. Everywhere. No one should let you in anywhere sensible. But if I go to Mecca and shout out that Jesus is God, what would happen to me?
Chop your head off!
I will be dead in one of 50 different Islamic State methodologies. And he will become, now the gentleman who is standing here with his camera, Hollywood style camera, I don't know what name he would take. In the former times, it was Jihadi John.
Listen to me, bro.
No, not interested. Not interested anymore.
Okay. So are you scared of my response to you?
I am scared of ignorance, stupidity, and deliberate lying and gaslighting all the time. I am not insulting, I am merely stating facts.
Did I claim you are stupid?
Thank you.
Thank you. You are stupid.
Thank you. Thank you.
See how is the difference between Muslim and
It
Christian?
is. Oh yeah.
You see the difference now?
Thank you very much.
So
Thank you.
this is the difference.
The name.
See how you put your
Hey,
hand against
don't
my
come
chest?
in, please.
Do you see what?
Now you're moving in. I'll stand here.
I'm just
Don't
telling
come
you
in.
how
Don't
the
come
aggressive-
in.
The aggressive way.
You are
they
the only
using
one coming in.
And they are claiming
You are
to
the
be
only
righteous
one coming in.
Christian.
Thank you.
So this is.
So, my dear friends, that is. No, you're shouting
You
into
are
my ear.
scared
right now.
of the truth.
You're shouting into my
You are
ear.
shouting
Thank
all
you.
the
Thank
time.
you. So, that should demonstrate to you, my dear friends, the difference between my precious Lord and God Jesus and how he has raised up. That should help you see the difference between my Lord and God Jesus. Don't touch me. Lord and God Jesus.
He tell you together.
Not interested. Don't touch me. Clear. Thank you. The difference between the Prince of Peace,
I'm talking to him
Jesus,
in a logical way.
versus
That's why he's scared.
the scamster who said his religion is peace. You see the difference?
You are funny.
They will chop my head off, whereas I might say I am upset.
Liar.
And so, my dear friends, for anyone who respects free speech,
Liar.
come to Jesus.
You are lying.
Leave Islam.
Liar, bro. You are
And-
liar.
He is not just a professional liar. He is not just a professional gaslighter. He is also a desperate man.
You are just a liar.
Desperate.
You are just a liar, and you're scared to hear.
Based on his preferences. When it comes to music,
He's talking about me, and he's scared to talk to me. So
My
if
dear
you
friends,
talk to me, hence,
how many of you heard Jihadi John? Jihadi John.
you're clown. You're liar.
If you want to know what his name would be, find out his preference. Music. Find out and he'll get that name. Al Brittany. When he goes, this is Islam.
One of them.
What is the contribution? What is the contribution? Please cover, please. Okay, but
Yeah, they call him there.
yeah, please.
You make me afraid, man.
Yeah, please cover all these clowns. We need to cover more clowns for a clown show to be effective. More clowns. More clowns on camera. Oh, you're still here. You're still here. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You are making me laugh.
Oh, thank you. Don't
I want to say it.
Thank you.
Let him talk.
Right. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. No. Changing battery. Give me 20 seconds. Thank you.
Yeah, keep lying. Keep lying.
Pause.
Lying clown. Keep lying.
Keep your clown show acting
Keep lying. Keep lying.
for the camera to roll, please. Thank you.
20 seconds. No, don't give him that 20 seconds.
Oh, let a Muslim talk because the Christians don't let Muslims talk. Look at the clown there. I can't believe this nonsense. Let him talk.
Clown
Look,
liar.
Muslims have been able to talk everywhere in Christian land. If at all you want to say, let him talk, you need to go back to your Arabia and say, let the Christians talk. That's what you have to say. Instead of coming here, taking your fake passport and showing up here and telling me, let him talk. Now,
He's talking.
what is the contribution?
British. No. This come from What are you talking about? Hey, bro.
Don't come in.
Bro,
Don't come.
wake up.
Don't come.
Wake up. Stop lying.
Don't come into my
Stop
personal
lying.
space.
I know you hate
Thank
me.
you.
I know you hate me.
Don't.
It's okay. It's
Thank you.
okay.
Thank you.
I know that.
Thank you.
But I like it. Bro.
Maybe I'll move away. I'll move away. Don't follow me. Don't follow. Thank you. Thank you very much. You want to ask? Please come in. Madam, I have one question. Please come. Give me. You can't speak?
I want to speak.
Yep.
Don't ask me. I want to say something.
But say what?
Okay, why I can't say what I feel like?
Because I'm in the middle of a productive.
No, I'll just say one thing.
Yeah, please. Don't touch it.
Okay, can you put it? I'm a Hindu, and you make my head hang in shame
Okay.
because you are obnoxious with the way you speak to everyone.
Sure.
And about their religion.
Sure.
I think you speak very badly
Sure.
about other people's religion.
Sure.
And every religion is equal, and as a Hindu, we are taught not to talk like that about
Sure,
other people's
sure,
religion.
sure.
And the way you are talking and conducting this entire thing is really, really mean.
Thank you.
You say mean words.
Enough.
Don't say mean words.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
you see, a Hindu lady. Thank you. Please clap. Please clap. A Hindu lady has walked up to a Christian in a Christian land and tells please. Wow. And tells
Liar, clown.
a Hindu lady walks up to a Christian in a Christian land and tells the Christian that she is ashamed of the Christian, and she walks away.
Ashamed of you. No. She didn't say that.
I'm right here.
You're a
Listen,
liar. She's here. Liar. She's here.
Ashamed of me.
Liar.
Ashamed of me, and she walks away.
Liar.
Dude, I'm right.
How did a Christian respond? The Christian responded by saying, Thank you. Imagine,
Liar.
just imagine,
Liar.
just imagine the same Hindu lady, walking in Mecca, going to a Muslim and telling them, don't say bad stuff about Jesus Christ. See what happens to her. Thank
Believe in
you.
Jesus.
Thank you very much.
There is Jesus in the book.
Sure.
What
Thank
are
you.
you talking about?
Thank you.
He is a Messiah.
My
He
dear
is also a Messiah.
My dear friend, thank you.
You are wrong.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. All right, thank you. No. We had a brief. Sure. Oh, don't say bye. Thank you, sure. No. Let me get back to my previous question.
Come on.
Oh, this guy is harassing me right
I will
now.
not leave you.
But don't come near me. Don't come near me.
No, I'm here.
All right. To all Muslims,
to you, why you not responding?
the challenge is simple. All day today, I have challenged the Muslims. And what I'd like to find out is very simply just one little thing. One little thing. Nothing else. Nothing else. What good did Muhammad do to Arabia? Simple. How did Muhammad improve the lives of people who lived in the Arabian Peninsula? Simple question. And I gave 4 specific details to demonstrate that Muhammad did terrible things. Terrible things.
He never read history.
Terrible things. Number 1.
He has no clue about
Number 1. Muhammad.
history. No history. Zero history.
Number 1. Muhammad abolished free speech. I demonstrated this by reading Surah 68. Surah 68, Ayah 15 and 16. Muhammad abolished free speech. Problem number 2. Problem.
I'm coming here every week to see this clown.
Problem.
Every week to see this clown. So
Problem.
funny.
Problem number 2.
Our scammers are always funny.
Muhammad abolished thinking. Muhammad essentially said Muslims can't think. I show evidence right now. But before I show evidence from the Quran,
Liar! Bastard
wow. Before I show evidence from the Quran, I would like to show evidence in real life. Evidence number 1, evidence number 2, evidence number all of these.
What's the conversation?
At the same time,
Don't come
he's
near me.
scared
I've
to
told
talk
you,
to
no,
me.
you moved into my personal
At the
space.
same time.
Abdullah, I'm going to request you. You moved into my personal space. I've already told you. You have been aggressive. You have been aggressive. You have been aggressive earlier today. I'm wary of you. Don't come into my personal space. Hey, Shia, Mr. Blue Shirt Shia. Hey, your imams run away from me.
Scammer!
Your milkshakes run away from me. And you being a minion, you have the audacity to come and push me, assault me and go.
Put your hands down. Put your hands down.
Excuse
Put
me.
your hands
You
down.
come into
Put
my
your hands
personal
down.
space.
Put your hands down.
You come into my personal space. You come into my personal space. You come into my personal space. I told you multiple times. Come into my personal space. Come into my personal space. You have come into my personal space. You have come into my personal space. You have come into my personal space.
Why did you hate me? Why do you hate
Don't come into my personal space. 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 Multiple times you're coming into my personal space. Don't come into my personal space. Don't come into my personal space. Don't come into my personal space. I've told you multiple times. Don't come into my personal space. Don't come into my personal space. I've told you multiple times. Abdullah, you are the. Please stay away. Please stay away. Don't come into my personal space. Don't come into my personal space. Don't come into my personal space.
You're fucking thug. You're scared of me. No one's scared of you, man. Shut up.
Very simple. Stay away from my personal space.
Embarrassing, mate.
Yeah, it's very embarrassing.
Embarrassing, bro.
And when I did it back, you didn't accept.
Because you moved into my personal space.
You didn't like it.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
You didn't like it.
Trying to make sense with a Muslim in a conversation.
Coward, go in your coward, you Indian bastard.
Thank you.
No, fuck off,
Please. Thank you. Thank you.
fuck off.
Why are you scared to go there? Why are you scared?
Because he's a pussy, innit? Pussy on. Pussy on. Go eat your cow. Go eat your cow. What? Why are you looking like that? What? What? Why are you looking like that? You want to get slapped? You want to get slapped? Shut the
That
fuck
guy, you're going to the police, my dear friend. Rather soon. Don't ever show up at Speaker's Corner.
up. You like it?
Don't show up at Speaker's Corner again.
Shut the fuck up.
Prison for you. For you, prison. If you have children, let them know. Say goodbye.
Go back to India. Go back to India, fucking coward.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Now make your way to Morocco, please. Quick. Algeria, please. Algeria, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you much.
This guy.
That was it. He needs to go to jail. This guy needs to go to jail. He punched him first. I saw it. And all the cameras are recording that. This guy punched him first.
You cannot help me. No, I was wanting someone to do it with me. And I would show you, all of you. You are nothing. All of you are nothing. You are fucking nothing. 0% chance. You are nothing. You are a bunch of liars. Bunch of clowns. Bunch of clowns.
Taken away.
Hey, don't come into my personal space. Don't come into my personal space. Don't come into my personal space. Don't come into my personal
No, I
space.
will come after the thing. No,
Don't come into my personal space.
Shut up. Shut up.
Yes, he's your right. Shut the
Not
fuck
touching
up.
you.
You're coming in space, and now when he pushes you away, you're going to say, why did you touch
I had your face. What will you do?
Whoa, I'll defend myself.
Okay then.
Why are you coming in his space? He's defending himself by pushing away. He's done
No,
this.
you didn't do this. You hit my face.
His hand was on my face. That fellow's hand was on my face.
Face as well.
This guy is mentally disabled. His hand was on my face.
Here as well. Your hand was here as well.
Coward.
We saw that. Everything is recorded.
Thank you.
Gando coward.
Everything is recorded.
Gando pancho.
Everything is recorded.
Motherfucker.
Everything is
Indian
recorded.
bastard. Go get your coward. Except for you, motherfucker.
All right. So,
Coward, you're coward.
right. Jesus brings peace.
Indian state.
Jesus brings peace. Others bring commotion.
You're coward first.
Indian state.
Jesus brings peace. Others bring commotion. They enter into your personal space time and time again.
Coward.
They assault time and time again. And they pretend that nothing has happened. This is what your religion teaches you. Leave Islam and come to the precious Lord Jesus.
Allahu Akbar. Takbir. Takbir. Allahu Akbar.
Don't listen to you. Don't listen to you.
Hey, you're looking at me right now.
Get out of here. Shut up.
Look at the smile of shame there.
Get out of here.
Look at the smile of shame.
Yeah, look at this.
When I asked questions, he was calm.
Look at this smile.
Now he's all here. Now,
Shut up.
when it comes to mob business, he's actively participating. Mob, part of the mob.
Shut up.
That's a mob. Do you have a membership card?
Shut up.
The Islamic mob
up.
membership
Shut
card.
up.
When I asked questions, I would have liked the gentleman to answer.
Shut up.
No answer.
No one is
But now,
Now he's brave.
Now he has. All right, kids can go home.
You can't go home with your coward as well.
Say again. Say again.
I'm talking to you, Pancho.
Now you're already covered. Already scared. I just asked for say.
Scared of you.
Why are you hiding there? Why are you hiding there?
He's not hiding.
So what happened? What?
I will eat you like chicken burger.
Yeah. Right.
Like one meal.
Right, I can see.
Without coke as well.
I can see.
Just water.
I completely see.
You get a British passport, yeah?
No, I'll come to you, sir, Mr. Home Office. I'll come to you, sir.
He's just an Indian, sir.
Yeah, will you be in Algeria or Morocco? Where should I come to you,
I
sir?
am from
You have
Palestine.
no right.
Oh, okay. So you don't even have a state. Okay, I see.
Alhamdulillah, I have British passport.
Indian slaves have no right to live here.
Yeah. Thank
Shut
you.
up.
Thank you. Thank you.
Slaves, shut up.
Thank you very much. Please disperse.
Go with your cow.
Go home. Thank you.
Go back to get your cow.
We've had enough enjoyment with you for the day. Now you can go home. Thank you very much.
Any final messages?
Final message, leave Islam, come to Jesus Christ.